Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to look at how I install these string lights without having to run any power. I'm going to attach it from my gazebo to my pool deck. So these are the SunForce string lights. It is 35 feet long and equipped with 15 vintage style bulbs that I got from Costco. You can use them for outdoors or indoors. They're powered by the sun and it adds a warm glow to your backyard patios or gazebo. The box includes a solar panel, mounting bracket, ground stake, 15 LED bulbs, remote control, and some screws. Since I will be mounting it above ground, I won't be needing the ground stakes. I will be using the mounting bracket, 2 screws, and the mounting base. And here I use some messenger coax cable without the coax, so it's just a messenger wire. You want to connect the solar panel to the string light to make sure it turns on, so you won't waste your time if it doesn't work and you have to return them. I'm using zip ties for my installation, so I'll start with the first light from the gazebo. And then I'll just tie the lights one by one with the zip ties until the very last one. Make sure you put some good tension on it so it will look straight. Next, make sure your solar panel is placed where you could get most sun exposure. And then mount the bracket. Attach the mounting base to the solar panel and slide the panel down the bracket until you hear a click. Position the solar panel and then hide all the remaining wires. Now we're done for the first set. I'm installing 2 sets, so I'll just repeat the same process for the second set. Both sets are now up. Let's see how they turn out. Each set of light includes 1 remote, and the cool thing is that if I click on the 1 remote, both sets will turn on. I put 3M tapes to glue it to the wall so I won't lose them, and it works great because they work even if it were behind the walls. I put another one by the gazebo. And now we wait until the sun goes down. I think these lights look great and it really adds a warm ambience to my backyard. I just wish they were a little bit brighter. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.